Hi Rocky, we are in the last phase of registration for next year, and you're going to have the opportunity to plan your schedule, and we will do the best we can to accommodate those choices. So today we're going to watch a short video on the process for building your schedule and resources you can use. First thing to know is our registration website. You can get there by going to bit.ly/RockyReg. It's also listed on the top of your student schedule planning sheet that your teacher either has or will pass out to you today. So when you get to our homepage, this is what it looks like for registration. You're going to click on registering for 10th through 12th grade year at the top. And you can see the registration process is outlined, things we've already done. And then April 6th, today, you're going to watch the How to Build My Schedule video. And then you get to plan your ideal schedule. Please keep in mind that classes do fill up, so we will do our best to get you in those classes, but it might not work out just how you planned it. Also listed here is the tab for scheduling resources. And then down here you can see you're going to have an appointment time where you will meet with your counselor and we will build your schedule as best we can like you planned it. And so times for that are posted here. If you scroll down, both of these resources are also listed under the resources section, appointment times, and then scheduling resources. So for scheduling resources, I'm going to go there. And this video will be embedded here if you do have any questions or need to watch the video again. The appointment times are listed here as well. So if you click on that link, you can see that you'll click on your grade level and you can see your appointment times. Please make sure to check that today. They are also posted outside of student services. If you can't make your appointment time, please meet with your counselor prior to your appointment to see if you can schedule a different time. Because if you miss your appointment, then your counselor will build your schedule for you. Under the appointment times link is this planning grid. And again, this is what your teacher will pass out to you. If you open it up, you can see the registration website is listed here and how to get to these resources. And then you have two planning grids. One is, again, your ideal plan. Another is your backup plan. And we will try our best to get you in the classes that you want. One thing to note is you can only put in classes that you pre-registered for earlier this year. You cannot go in and add classes that you did not pre-register for. So please make sure you go into Student View and click on Course Requests to see which classes you did register for. If you want to make any changes, you can always come to Add Drop in August, but we have to do the classes you registered for. And then the last part here is the main schedule, and so this tells you when all the classes are offered. The classes are not just offered every period, so you do have to click on this main schedule and open that up. And when you're here, you can hit Control F to search. So if you want to take geometry next year and you pre-registered for it, you can start typing in geometry and then all the sections come up. So let's say you want to take geometry quarter 1, period 1 with Mr. Gallegos. And keep in mind that geometry is a semester-long class. So you'll also scroll down and you can see quarter 2, period 1, also with Mr. Gallegos. Once you find the section that you want, you can go back to your planning document and we can put in the class and the teacher. Okay. Then let's say you want to take woodworking. You pre-registered for that. And you can see woodworking A, the 4 sections of it. And let's say you want to take it quarter 1, period 4 with Mr. Weber. Go back to your planning guide, quarter 1, period 4, woodworking with Weber. Okay, so that's how you use that master or the main schedule there. I guess that's it really. A few next steps to think about then, just to summarize. Make sure you check your appointment time either on the website or on the glass windows outside of student services. Go ahead and take some time on your own to plan your ideal schedule. And then make sure to show up to your appointment time on time with all of that planned. And if you want a class that you didn't pre-register for, you'll have to come in August to add drop, and we'll get it added in if we can. Thanks, Lobos. Have a good day.